I think we made it.
I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love.
Lake Mcconaughy
For the first time, back with another vlog slash TikTok slash I don't know what else. Snapchat,
Reels,
Facebook, MySpace.
okay.
Woo! It's my first time. This is Wendy's third time. It's my first time camping, so let's go.
The way I do. Are you dreaming of me now?
I think we made it. Got to run. Oh, he's getting cold. I want to go home. So we're gonna test out
Look at my James is gonna stand up on his paddleboard. We don't usually stand up on the stand-up paddleboard. And we're drifting off like so fast. Our camp is right there. We're drifting off. All right, you ready? I'm scared they're gonna splash water on me when you fall. Keep your back.
That's not even bad. She fell and she hit the floor. I literally sank to the bottom.
He's being scared because there's people around us and he doesn't want to stand up because he's weak and scared. 1, 2, down he goes. Slowly. There you go. Stop. It's because let it control yourself. Even your body out. Don't put one foot in front of the other. You went in face first.
Alright, use a flashlight. Here's our tent setup. We got our queen, we got a table, we got a fan, we got a cooler, brand new pillows. What brand is it?
Roof Loren.
So we got set up for the night. Now we're gonna go party.
So it started raining.
Rain down.
So we're in here partying.
Party's in here. Ma'am, come with me, please. Drop the chips. I'll have 3 tacos, please.
¿Qué?
3.
¿Qué le doy, joven? ¿Qué le doy? Dígame, vara. Your skin is kind of cold. Should be warmer. Like, should be like, bitch, shut the fuck up.
I'm so happy.
Put it down? How you had it right now? Yeah, that's really good lighting. Like, that actually looks really good.
So we out here in the wild.
Handsome ass. You look so good.
We got rained out, so we're not sleeping in a tent tonight. We are gonna sleep in a camper, and hopefully tomorrow.
The whole goal is for tomorrow for us to actually sleep in a tent because I really want James to sleep in a tent.